say will be pound PT, will be permanent. The better one the headmasters so my accountable. Obi be tell us on tia ya. Obeda who said the we said otia and pan I said why they went tia. Say oba NDC there be abeka say just say wa we ya kwada wunim wo mu. I know these people from 1992 Rollins time. Omo ya kwofo award omo ya atrofo omo nka nokre. Ene na no beka na na mo sere no. Oba tibe de president Musa kotu Yesu free na konya so ti omo no ade bi eye azhansem bia no omo nim ye wo ho omo nka nokre enye ne na ye behu minim omo fi tete wa be gira no mo say obi pa otua PT obi pa mani twa da be de kwa na headmasters o my accountable obi be tua no ka so tua ya obeda hu se dipa we say otua na mpa na say wane de wantua ete ye ko no sem ne sa ne ne sa 419 seminar no makofra ne ntoma no mpese omo de be hye na fo kon so odira ne bia ba be ka say mesra mo MPP fo no Uma yenka ye humom ni enya ye ho keka ne sa nema because ekofo we say nsamfo ma start omudi se ka huboma very easy say ekofo be pam 2028 abom free Ghana so omo de ato de be dia konya no omo de ato pese omo timi kokọ enkwase ne bi na omo kotwitwa dan bi esi be say ekofo ado down ne busuafo esi omo ba betram no because tama president kofo be free 2008 Oko twa kumase emergency we say unit na president Kufosi ye no ene eko kwase kwa che kwafo say president Kufo dan a wo se wo kwa kwotena mu no wo ho wo say enipa no so no sabe enye obi a na nania bie obi on ma odi ato bi che na no waye den na watie wo ho enti NDC de omonye party a sabe e ka se Ghana for kwa ye den eto abom ema wo mu ena NDC by winning elections go Ghana be na MPP mu aye dey atete won say so be 2008 tama na nane airline issue ni buy no ena mo mu aye dey ewuram
na boys Maravo always say the last time when we lost the election the same day I lost a brother here and we did the funeral on Friday and I'm saying about back. Now, back and I was hoping some committee be refreshing, but a Ghana for to baby the voice here we might not recover from this damage these people are going to cause. One first State of the Nation's address. The voice ne Ubia Uti the voice in there. Since 1992, whether NDC or MPP, President to be about the first State of the Nation, Oka. All of them, yes, they know they came to meet challenges, but in the first State of the Nations, they usually brag to show say they are between the and so you bear mamuni nama will say
it's true.
Earlier, it's true. Yeah. The other Kufado to Chairman Rollins, Okofa, a year Kufu the back, Okofa, your Professor Mills, the Baumanina, their first State of the Nation address was to give hope to the people.
Yeah.
Sabe, and your Papa Mahama, ne Kwaka Ghana for say, Eduane Boy, or Ghana Sabri, year campaign. Nichina said, Eduane Boy, I had the engineer, so Wobra and Aberdeen, but my Unclan, Shabby hope. Na Obaya. Not only the dead man not give us hope, in some more kind in a atro cham. Now, the voice, I'm tempted to believe, say, the party NDC, send them from grassroots and I says, we support us, all right? So supporters need your machino. Please pardon my language here, but they are not inspired to become anything in this world.
Oh yeah.
No, omo ni sa zeal so person ye nipa da che. You go vote for a man who had promised to give you emission tax obitwem, free SHS, the private school for better so. Ebano Kania, ebe the best of it most. And yet the 2 minutes in some way no be there. It is lamentation. Now mama train Ghana for 2014. Ebrana Ghana for Kemus and Mr. Mahama. Can you any doom sonny idea or mind more she wouldn't be okay? Or say Ghanaians should stop their purposeless lamentation. That is what he said, John Mahama. Ghanaians should stop their purposeless lamentation. The same person today stands when the whole country is given to him to lament and not give us hope. Nana do buy any IMF, by anticipate business in so because I had intimate yet. No matter how hard it is, or fighting ye to the point say, or the Bikura Baye the Ebe count. NAPCO was never our promise. We never promised no NAPCO. NAPCO was something we did when we came into power. Certainly, graduate 100,000 or more 2 hours soon to inform because they don't have experience. Let's give them, because if you don't give them the chance, how can they get experience?
Even the ambulances cried were not part of our promises.
At all. That was not part of it.
Was not part of our promises.
That is why those things were called special initiative.
Yeah.
Special initiative, because those were not even part of it. It is a bino cordano 21 or 2 months.
Agenda 111 like this, it was not part.
It was never part of it. It was after COVID exposed the whole country, say our health, is nothing to write home about.
Yeah.
That is when it happened. Now, Shadia, Medin Kakacho say, President Yabenina, the voice.
Yeah.
Their first State of the Nation's address is to give hope to the country.
Yeah.
This other one comes, and the first thing he is doing is what he did in 2013. When we say, you see, people don't know how much. Look, hold on. 2013, when they made him the president the first time, okay? When things were not going well, do you know what he said? He said he was handed a bad economy.
In 2013?
Yes. He said that in 2014 too. Even in 2020 elections, he said he was handed a bad economy. So I'm like, now Papa Nene said from 2019 to 2016, he has been in government. So if somebody handed you a bad economy, that means you were part of that economy.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Minia, as much as we like to blame these liars who have gotten money to gain power in Ghana, we must also talk to the citizens. The voice, citizens not general, be no or form kakra. Share ambulance, I the bre omo. They didn't appreciate.
Abobolance.
Share the ayen the bre omo omweni so. But then, yede abobolance ba ya. Sabi no sabi insu to na teche ba enko. So insu to na teche ba enko. But koshe the way omweni aji ayeye hu video kura President Mama Yedase. You see,
Uncle, last time now the aspiring, the lady out there was asking, say, how will a heavily pregnant woman sleep in that abobolance?
You are talking about the heavily pregnant alone. How about the woman who has had a fracture in her spine? Then she needs to be arranged a certain way on the board. You see, but the truth is, what we say, ambulance in the bar, you know.
Yeah.
And the voice, what they did was, when they brought it empty, and the commission was asking, say, why would you guys bring an empty tank? They now gave an excuse to make it look like it was a deliberate thing. Say, now almost percent magazine for any adwumaye. Nti no almost ba magazine for never bonko nyanempa. And they go empty ambulance. You see, so that into the magazine I said, you no nim saying possible. No say, hey, sa buy ne twene yahu. Or the nkonwane brenya na yan ya bubu nkonwane mpa. And they go sebe ambulance. Na said omo bubu wi a the ayede test near the idea the model resolve nipa no kopim se de be do ayi no so e eno no wanum na ebeye na eno na just omo kofre the voice no mo kokko yes adwuma. You see, they are so backwards thinking to the point that when the right thing is given to them, they don't even see it. I was in Ghana, you were in Ghana when they won the election and they were still breaking down government buildings, burning down police stations. It tells you who they are. But I believe and I know something for certain. Some Ghanaians will learn. Unia, believe me. Some Ghanaians will learn. The next time, after they are done with their 4 years of depletion of this country and where we got it to, some Ghanaians will learn. And nearby, yeah, Pamu Nipan, say, I'm Pamu NDC for Nkwa, I'm Pamu MPP for Nkwa, yes, Muni na Mun free. Even when they don't have the data, say, crowd, the NDC, and that's we MPP. What I will say is, say, our party, whatever wounds we have, let us heal it. Let us find a way to make sure that what we have done in 2024 will never repeat itself in the history of Ghana. Thank you so much.